I'll start milling some logs for our board and bat trim. Cedar. It'll be fun. Cousin's new Wood Mizer he bought. Okay, we got her all set, log set. See what this front cut makes. Oh, video. Do those knots. That's pretty awesome. These are all going to be bats for our board and bat look on our new shop that we're resiting. So basically this will be our level cut, our first cut. So this end will be pretty good. That size, you know, like 3/4 of an inch or something. This will be probably 3 inches off this end. Cool. And there's cut one. We rolled the logs, now we're going to cut the top off again. We're going to basically square it up. Yeah, I think you start a little higher down there. So we're squaring it off so that way when I go to rip them on the table saw, I have straight edges. Cool. Okay, we're squared off. Now we're cutting our 3/4 inch trim boards. Those are 9 inches wide. And we'll get probably 12, 13 of them out of there.